Hoover's PowerScrub series is a long-standing, reliable consumer carpet shampooer family that focuses on deep cleaning carpets and upholstery with multi-purpose tools. The product page highlights features such as a powerful motor and brush system engineered to scrub and lift soil, included multi-purpose attachments for stairs and upholstery, and a design that aims to be accessible for regular home maintenance without professional services. Owners commonly report that the PowerScrub does an excellent job on routine carpet maintenance, pet stains, and high-traffic areas when used with the recommended Hoover cleaning solution. Many users like the included tools for spot work and the clearer recovery tanks that let you see how much dirt you've removed. Downsides mentioned in reviews are typical for upright shampooers: heavier than a tiny spotter, so less convenient for cars, and occasional maintenance required on brushes and tanks after heavy use. For households with pets or frequent carpet traffic who want a machine designed for repeat deep cleaning cycles, the Hoover PowerScrub line remains a dependable, well-supported option. Check the product page for model-specific to lists and customer impressions. We share by links in description box.